Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to do a quick little Aliexpress haul. I have some stuff that is rolling in that didn't roll in with the others. You guys saw me haul those little fabric flowers because Anne had posted them, but these ones are more of like a almost like a felt, like a thicker felt material. It's got the little loop so that you can make it a dangle, and these are like a corally pink color. Super cute. Then they had, this must be, I think these are all different stores if I'm not mistaken. They have these little tassels. They are just pink with a little gold jump ring and like a turquoise color thread around the top of it. I think these go perfect for pastel Christmas theme projects maybe. Next thing is this trim. I don't know how many yards this is, maybe 2 or 3 yards, but it's like almost like a sherbet. It's like this corally pink with yellow or on the pom-poms. It's like mixed. As you can see, it's like half and half. Super cute. This is, I wouldn't use this on like Christmas just because it's got the yellow. And then what I was super excited about is these papers. I'm trying not to get the glare. They have this jelly paper, and here, let me see the colors I got. So this one is definitely more of a, like a clearish pink, not pink. It's not really pink at all. It's got like a hue of pink, but barely, as you can see on this paper. And then it's got the holographic stars, and it does come with a film on top of it. So then I got the white version, but white on white is not going to show you. The holographic stars. I already cut into this one. So I got them to make bows, and I just used hot glue so I could stick like a little gem right here and cover like the glue that's on there. But they're like those jelly shoes, like that same material. So this is the white hazy colored one, and this is the pink one. Super cute, and I think this will go with Christmas Christmas stuff. So those are those two colors. Then there's this one. It's like a bluish purpley, super pretty. I figure for like summertime mermaid theme and other stuff like that, ocean theme. Then I got two of these guys. It's like a canvasy, vinyl-y texture, I guess, and it's got like a swan that has like a cluster of 3 little flowers on her head, and then some of them have like crowns. You could easily fussy cut these, circle punch these, or use these to make bows. And then I picked up this one. This is like, hold on, almost like a glitter background, and then it's got like fabric on the top part of it. This is the blue one, and then there is a pink one as well. I figured these would go really well with like pastel Christmas. I made a little bow out of there, just stuck a little center in the middle. It's like fabric-y. This one feels more like fabric than the others. And the glitter's not like, as you can see, it's not like shedding all over the place. So I'm gonna make bows with this one. Super excited about that. And then, because they came in a little late and I ordered them kind of late, I got this one, which is like a black version of the stars for Halloween. But as you can see, it's definitely got like a hazy, like dark, it is a dark color, but it's more of like a 1980s tint, if that makes sense. Almost like a brown. But yeah, it's dark, and I would use this for Halloween. Make little bows with that. So yeah, these are like my fabric-y haul. Alright, I will catch you guys on the next crafty video. Bye guys.